Dissolve the instant coffee. Stir the mixture until it dissolves completely. Add it to a blender, along with the milk and the protein powder. Dissolve a bit of sweetener, then a splash of vanilla, a dollop of Greek yogurt, and a pinch of salt. Now blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Freeze for 3 to 4 hours, stirring every hour for a smoother texture. Let the ice cream sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop into a bowl and top with a light dusting of cocoa powder or sugar-free chocolate shavings.
Wow, this is incredible.